Rainforests are often called the lungs of the planet. They role in absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and increasing local humidity. Rainforests also stabilize climate, house incredible amount of plants and wildlife, and produce nourishing rainfall all around the planet. Rainforests help stabilize the world climate, provide a home to many plants and animals, maintain the water cycle. Rainforest is a protection against flood, drought, and erosion, a source of medicines and discoveries, and of course a very interesting place to visit. That is why I chose this habitat above all. There are millions of species throughout the tropical rainforest. The main animals are monkeys, blue morpho butterflies, three-toed sloth, jaguar, and of course the poisonous dart frog. On the other hand, the main plants are ferns, lichens, orchids, and of course many types of trees, including the rubber tree. Tropical rainforests are home to a huge diversity of reptiles, such as snakes, lizards, turtles, tortoises, and crocodiles. Also, there are amphibians, such as frogs, toads, salamanders, and worm-like caecilians. These are found in virtually all rainforest habitats, ranging from the high canopy to streams and creeks collectively. Ecological relationships describe the interactions between and among organisms within their environment. These interactions may have positive, negative, or neutral effect on their species' ability to survive and produce or fitness. By classifying these effects, ecologists have derived 5 major types of species interactions, such as predation, competition, mutualism, commensalism, and amensalism. In my case, adult amphibians eat an enormous amount of insects, including major agricultural pests, and tadpoles alternate streams and pond dynamics, reducing algae and mosquito larvae, and even influencing sedimentations. Amphibians of all life stages are also incredibly valuable food items for a range of animals, as amphibians can also reach high densities and biomass. They are very important prey for the survival of many species. Some of the biggest amphibians consumers are snakes. Around the world, many snakes feed primarily on amphibians, and many more regular prey on amphibians when they get a chance. I know from experience that where there is frog, there is snake. By calling to attract females, male frogs also attract unintended visitors, such as curious amphibians biologists and hungry snakes. The dependence of many snakes on amphibians means that when the frogs croak, many species of snakes will follow. Amphibian population declines, and the subsequent snake population declines provide a very real and current demonstration of the interconnectedness of ecosystem. Stable tropical rainforest environment promotes diversity by allowing plants and animals to interact all year round without needing to develop protection against the cold or frost. In addition, because the sun shines all year long, providing plants with the energy to manufacture food via photosynthesis, there is no seasonal food shortage in the ecosystem. The abundant food source of plants is passed up through a system of herbivores, which consume the plant's leaves, seeds, and fruits, to carnivores, which consumed by the herbivores. Over the course of millions of years, with the abundance of food, rainforest species have adapted to take full advantages of all the available niches. Carrying capacity is determined and affected by a number of variables. The total geographic space available to a species determines the population number, but so does the amount of energy available for that species to control interactions. Interactions with other species, including humans, will also affect carrying capacity. In rainforest, carrying capacity can support preservation of species, such as amphibians that are usually being eaten by their predators. By the rich amount of food available, they are being preserved. By the increasing species fertility, they are also saved. Also, there is an increase in the amount of habitat available for use and adaptation of the environment, such as resistance to disease or adaptations that serve to decrease the amount of energy spent on obtaining food. On the other hand, carrying capacity can be decreased in such habitat due to disease, an increase in predation, hunting or harvesting by humans, a decrease in available habitats such as habitat destruction by humans, parasites, competition with other species for a source, or changes in the weather that makes the species less suited to the environment. All in all, rainforests are the undisputed champions of biodiversity, containing for higher numbers of species on a per area basis related to subtropical temperature and boreal ecosystem. For example, whereas temperature forests are often dominated by a half dozen tree species or fewer that make up 90% of the trees in the forest, a tropical rainforest may have more than 483 species in a single hectare. A single bush in Amazon may have more species of ants than the entire British Isles. This diversity of rainforest is not a haphazard event, but it is just a result of a series of unique circumstances.